Can you believe it is day 9 of our 30-day decluttering challenge? This is flying by. I hope you're sticking with it. It's hard. It's hard to consistently show up, but if you're still here day 9, you got this, friends. The first week is definitely the hardest. So we today are tackling our dresser drawers. I actually don't have clothes in a dresser, so I keep them in bins because I'm lazy and I don't fold and I just toss them in. I digress. Wherever you keep your clothes that aren't folded or maybe folded in your drawers, or if you have baskets, that's what we're doing today. And just like always, it's only 5 minutes, friends. You can do anything for 5 minutes. So let's set our timer. On your mark, get set, let's declutter. So I'm going to start with my pajama bin that is real full. Also, don't judge me. This doesn't belong in here. I root through here every night and I pull things out and I think, this is too hot. I'm too sweaty. I'm going through menopause. Flannel, if it isn't for a cute Christmas photo, is not ever happening on this body ever again. And that's all there is to it. So why am I keeping it? I'm going to let go of the flannel that isn't Christmas because they're just taking up space. And I'm in a different season of my life, and it isn't a flannel season. All of these things also, like the long sleeves, it's not happening, friends. So letting go, I want you to go through and really ask yourself, do I wear this on a regular basis? Do I wear this ever? Is it worth the space that it's taking up in my drawers? Because you probably fold, whatever. If you have to root around or push or shove, or it's like takes effort to find your clothing, it's wasting your time. You have better things to do than be digging around for clothing every day. Let the stuff go. Wow, I forgot about this. This has to go in my naughty drawer. It shouldn't be in there. The point is, maybe you'll also discover things you forgot you had, which is also fun. Flannel is leaving. I have so much Christmas PJs, but this is like an exercise again in self love. Anytime we declutter clothing, it's about self respect. It's about making sure we're only keeping things that make us feel good about ourselves. And we're letting go of those toxic bullies that tell us we're overweight, we need to lose weight. This is what these tell me. The things that just make us feel bad about ourselves. Enough is enough. We deserve better, and it's time to let go. And one thing I definitely want you to focus on right now, if you can, is bathing suits. Because as someone whose weight is constantly fluctuating, I have bathing suits that I feel disgusting in, and for some reason, I just always keep them in the bin. People do not declutter bathing suits often enough, I can tell you that. So take 1 minute right now and go through and just say, I deserve better than this. I am not keeping something that I pull out and think, oh, I wish I could wear this, but I'm too big, or I'm not in shape enough, or I'd have to do sit-ups, or I have to get a summer bod first. All of those things are, you wouldn't say that to your best friend. You would not say that to your best friend, and you are supposed to be your best friend. So do not keep things that make you talk badly to you. They're leaving, they're going, no regrets. And again, you only have to find 5 things. I already found so many things that are leaving. I'm feeling proud of myself. I hope you're feeling proud too. Take a second to pack up your donations, put everything back. We're not leaving a mess, and I'll see you back here tomorrow when we declutter another space. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. When I was 250 pounds, I wanted like a light nightgown, and I found these at Walmart, and they are the greatest nightgowns I've ever worn in my entire life. They're light, they're like soft, they just feel like awesomeness. So I've kept them even when I lost the weight, and I don't want to ever let them go because they're amazing and they're kind of ripped. I can't find anything like these anywhere, but they have an issue. And I've shared this story with you before, but the thing about a baggy tank top or any kind of tank top is while you're sleeping, it has a tendency to have a boob slip. So, and I'm not a morning person and I'm groggy. So I know I've shared the story with you, but my dog had to go to the bathroom and she was a puppy at the time, but we were having work done in the backyard. So I would have to take her out in the morning or even in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom out the front door. And she is allergic to everything. So she had chronic diarrhea. And one time it's like 5 or 6 in the morning, and it's like the fourth time I've had to get up with her. And I stumble out of bed and I open up the front door and I'm letting her do her business. And people are going to work and people are driving by. And my neighbor Charlie comes out and he waves and I wave back. And I'm just kind of standing on the front lawn for a while on a very busy road. And then I look down and notice full boob, just to the wind, was popped out, and in my groggy, sleep deprived, just state that I was in, I'm just hello to the neighbors. I'm sure they still talk about that, and maybe that's why I was never invited to any block parties. I'm the weirdo who stands in the front lawn with her boob out. Anyways, thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time.